Now we're announcing what we're working on in the STARR project. We used these 3 types of robots, mainly SparkFun JetBot AI Kit version 2.1. We couldn't experiment. There was a hardware failure. For example, bad wiring, poor micro SD contact, and Wi-Fi environment is bad. We spent a time to find the cause. It didn't work as we hoped to after all. At the same time, I learned AI with EV3. In this way, we could know how to taking the image data and what AI can do. Russ gave us 2 JetBots. It helped to advance learning. The first Zoom meeting with Russ and George was held. We studied machine learning using textbooks. We couldn't start experimenting again. There were the following problems: surprise reset, micro SD operating delay, Wi-Fi environment. We made a RC circuit. The time constant is half a second. This effect was so-so. The surprise reset is almost gone. We replaced microSD with a high-speed, large capacity type. This effect is great, and improved restart time. In order to improve the Wi-Fi environment, I replaced it with a mobile router and an antenna-type wireless LAN device. This effect was so-so. Finally, I was able to take images. The training data only turned the course counterclockwise. Its clock turned walking as well. And robots ignore what it doesn't learn.
さあ、そろそろ人が立ってみようか。うん、そうやね。そこに4人並びませんか。おい、倉田。パソコンを。じゃあ、これで動画撮影終わります。1、2の。
We challenged collision avoidance. If it finds an obstacle, it will only stop. However, the behavior is quite different in the way of learning. We are now collecting data within schools to avoid collision with people. JetBot usually walks along the road. When it discovers a person, it walks along the wall to avoid a collision and walks the road again. Please watch the video.
My name is Shou Kawasaki. I'm a freshman. I joined this project 2 months ago. I'm repeating data collection and test runs in the hallway. Little by little, I have come to know how to collect useful learning data. It's a very interesting study. Please continue to give us challenges in the future. Thank you.
Next, my name is Yusuke Murase. I'm in the second grade. I joined this project 4 months ago. I'm trying to avoid collisions on course. I had difficulty collecting data to distinguish between blocks and feed. I can now delete useless data. I hope to continue to work on it. Thank you.
Next, my name is Shunsuke Sakai. I'm in the second grade too. I joined the project a year ago. There were a lot of errors. It's difficult to improve, but I'm very happy when I fix it. I can now predict and resolve the cause of the error. Of course, I can teach you how to collect data. Now I'm writing technical manuals for my juniors. Please continue to teach us.
I'm Yoshiyuki Kobata. Mr. Russ and Mr. George, thank you for always having good advice. I can now understanding of supervised learning and unsupervised learning. And I learned the importance of working on this project without giving up. I want to give students an environment where they can learn easily from now on. Good assignments grow students. I hope it will continue to give us challenges. Thank you.